Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a plan with me in my daily Petite Planner where I will be decorating my monthly spread for the month of August. I'm going to open up to my August spread, and I've purchased this really cute floral kit from the Planner Kate website for the month of August. So I'll be using this to decorate my spread. Let me get my planner supplies. I recently started a cute little pouch using this cute little layers pouch in order to carry all of the things that I need for my filming videos, and it's made prepping for my videos so much easier. So I'm just going to spread out all of my tools here. This way I don't forget anything each time I have to film, and we're going to start laying things in place. So Planner Kate has separated the days of the week from the actual headers now, I noticed, in these more recent kits, and I think that's cool, but it just makes me have to put these down first. So let me get started with that. So that is my top header for both sides, and then I'm going to add in my notes section. So far, that is what my August spread looks like. I really do love it. It might actually be my favorite spread yet. It's just so cute. For some reason, it reminds me of like a quilt or something. I don't know. It just has this really nice nostalgia to it. Let me put in my paydays. I probably will have some time off because my daughter will be going off to college, but we haven't finalized dates yet, so I don't want to fill those in. I also don't have any significant bills due, and no school really doesn't apply anymore, thank goodness. So I think this is it for now. This is what my August spread looks like so far, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. As I said, it's really cute. I love the nostalgia and all the pretty colors, and it definitely complements the yellow in the August theme, which I am so excited to decorate with. It's going to be beautiful. I can already imagine. I hope you like this video. If you're interested in this kit, I will have a link to Planner Kate's website in the description below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!